Hi guys, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for finding me. I do hope you enjoy my videos while you're here. The types of videos that you'll find here, I do some challenge videos for some groups that I'm a part of. I do try and do some quick tip videos, but majority of videos that you will find here are real-time card making videos. Now, some of these will be YouTube live videos, and a vast majority of them are replays of my Facebook live videos, so please feel free to find me on my other social media and follow me there. Now, you will notice in my videos that I do have a few issues with my hands. I actually have a Charcot-Marie tooth peripheral neuropathy that does impede the use of my hands. I can generally do everything. I just do it a bit different or a bit slower to everyone else. So just to tell you a bit about myself, I've been a demonstrator since 2011, and I have been around the crafting world, or the paper crafting world, probably for the last nearly 15 years. And my mum took me along to a church group when my youngest son was just a baby to make Christmas cards, and since then I've scrapbooked. I have joined stamp clubs with different Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. I have come back to card making, so I definitely card make more than I scrapbook, but I do some scrapbooking on the rare occasion as well. So I do hope you enjoy my videos. Please feel free to request any techniques or things you would like to see, and I will see how I go. I do try to be fairly simple with a few nice fun things thrown in, but I definitely am on the simpler side of card making. So thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe and click the notification button so you'll always see my videos. See you in a video soon. Bye.